guys! Welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make one of the best known Canadian classic, and this is poutine. So yes guys, today we are making poutine. Kung pinakita ko sa inyo yung mga ilang classics na mga Pinoy dishes, ngayon naman, punta naman tayo sa Canadian classic, and ito nga yung poutine. Ano ba yung poutine? Ang poutine ay isang simpleng Canadian dish na made of fries, gravy, and curdled cheese. So let's get started. So guys, for the recipe that we'll be doing today, the ingredients that we need are, of course, our fries. This is frozen fries, but if you have the time, you can always use potatoes to make your own fries. And we have beef broth, chicken broth, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce. We are gonna use pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, of course our cheese curds. We're gonna use flour, cornstarch diluted in water, and our unsalted butter. So guys, excited na ba kayo? Let's get started. So guys, the first thing that we have to do is to cook our fries. Ano ba yung mga paraan ng pagluto ng fries? Yung mga medyo guilt-free na ways na pwede nyong lutuin yung fries is through your oven and of course your air fryer. And today, i-air fry ko yung fries natin. And of course, you also have the option na iluto yung fries nyo in oil. So, hindi ko na ipapakita yung step na yon. Basta lutuin nyo lang yung fries and then we'll proceed to our next step, which is to cook our gravy. So guys, let's cook our gravy. We have our heated saucepan. Ilalagay natin yung ating butter. And we'll just let it melt. So guys, once na nagmelt na yung butter, let's put our all-purpose flour. And then, ihahalo lang natin siya hanggang ma-incorporate siya sa ating butter. So, once na okay na siya, let's add our beef broth. Ihalo lang natin siya ulit. And then, i-add na rin natin yung ating chicken broth. Halo lang ulit natin. At this point, pwede na tayong mag-add ng ating seasoning, which is yung ating onion powder, a dash of onion powder, a dash of garlic powder, and guys, pwede nyo naman itong dagdagan, depende yan sa inyong panlasa. So, ihalo lang ulit natin siya. So, let's bring this to a boil. So, yan guys, kumukulo na yung ating sauce. Mag-add tayo ng konting Dijon mustard. Ihalo lang natin ulit. You can tweak kung paano or kung anong lasa yung magugustuhan ninyo dito sa gravy na to. So, pwede kayong magpaunti-unti ng lagay ng inyong mga seasoning para makater ito sa panlasa ninyo. After nating ilagay yung ating Dijon mustard, pwede na tayong mag-add ng ating Worcestershire sauce. Ayan. Then again, halo lang. Medyo nagtitiken na ng konti yung ating sauce. At this point, pwede nyo nang tikman yung inyong sauce, and you can add more seasoning if necessary. So guys, once na nalagay nyo na yung inyong mga additional seasoning, dito naman tayo sa black pepper. Ayan. Then again, i-whisk lang ulit natin. And tikman nyo ulit yung inyong gravy. At this point, maglalagay na ako ng konting cornstarch to thicken the gravy. Depende rin ito sa inyo kung gaano ka-thick yung gravy na gusto niyo. So guys, this is optional. To add a little bit more color to your gravy, maglalagay tayo ng konting dark soy sauce. Mga 1 teaspoon lang. Then, halo lang ulit. Ayan. So, kita nyo naman yung transformation ng color ng ating gravy. So, guys, ito na yung consistency ng gravy na gusto kong ma-achieve. Ayan. Hindi naman siya sobrang thick. Tama lang siya. Ayan. So, we'll set this aside. And then, hinintay ko lang na matapos yung ating fries. And then, i-assemble natin yung ating poutine. So, guys, ready na yung ating fries. Ilalagay ko na siya dito sa ating plato. Ayan. And then, ganito lang yung pag-assemble. Ilalagay na natin yung ating cheese curds. Oo nga pala guys, kung wala kayong makitang cheese curds na ganito, ang pwede nyong i-substitute para makagawa kayo ng poutine is mozzarella cheese. Pero, yung mozzarella na hindi shredded. So, ayan. Lagyan natin siya ng madaming cheese kasi gusto ko yung maraming cheese. Ayan. Our next step, lalagyan na natin siya ng gravy sa taas. Ayan. Sarap nito, guys. Ayan. So, mainit na mainit yung gravy, mainit na mainit din yung fries. So, ayan. So, yan na guys. Ready na yung ating classic Canadian poutine. It's tiki-man time! So guys, ready na ang ating Canadian poutine. Ayan na siya. Bango guys. Yung cheese, amoy na amoy ko. And of course, yung ating gravy. So, it's tiki-man time! So guys, yung ating Canadian poutine, normally, sanay tayong kumain ng fries with our hands. But since meron siyang cheese and meron siyang gravy, masyadong messy kung kakainin natin siya with our hands. So, gagamit tayo ng fork, which we normally use pag kumakain ng poutine. So, tikman na natin. So, ito na nga guys. Nag-melt na yung cheese niya. Ayun, nakikita nyo ba? Sobrang init pa nito. Oh my goodness. This is so good. So simple. Ang sarap niya guys. And napakadaling gawin. Isa pa. Tingnan nyo naman yung cheese niya. Oh. Sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. And that's it for our video today guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating classic poutine recipe for today. And sana matry nyo din to at home very soon. And as always, if you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking and baking videos. See you guys again. Bye!